Gain on an oscilloscope allows you to adjust the voltage amplification of the displayed waveform. By changing the gain, you can control how much the oscilloscope amplifies or scales the input signal vertically on the screen. This adjustment allows you to view and measure the amplitude or voltage levels of the signal more effectively. Oscilloscopes often provide various vertical gain settings, such as volts per division, which determine how much voltage corresponds to each vertical division on the display grid. Increasing the gain will magnify the signal, making small voltage variations more visible, while reducing it will make the signal appear smaller and less detailed on the screen. Increasing the gain allows you to better visualize and analyze smaller voltage variations in the input signal. Excessive gain can lead to signal distortion, where the waveform is clipped or distorted at the top or bottom due to the oscilloscope reaching its maximum or minimum voltage range. This can result in inaccurate representations of the signal. High gain can amplify not only the signal of interest but also any noise or interference present in the signal. Thanks for watching this video.